Okay, welcome back. I'm going to take you through one of my beginner abs workouts. The reason it's a beginner one is because it's extremely safe on the lower back and none of the movements require a lot of coordination. They're also suitable for people who've got larger bellies. Okay, so let's crack on with it. So we're going to do 20 reps, supporting your head, keeping your chin away from your chest, lifting using this, not this. Okay? Rolling the shoulders off the floor. Breathing out. Sliding the ribcage down. I've got my hand on my belly so I can feel the abs contracting. I can feel the ribcage working and coming down. Making sure everything's doing everything correctly. And I'm shaking. Slight hold. Okay, 15 reps there. Hands down and slightly underneath the bum. Legs tucked up tight here. I don't want the legs swinging. And bringing the knees, chest. Breathing out. Five more. Good. Back to the top. Okay, this time we are lifting and turning back and down. Okay, we're alternating. Turn the head, breathe out. Okay, back to lower. Back to the lower abs. Okay, so legs at 90. If you have them here, it will be too easy, so make sure they're at 90. This is going to put some pressure on the lower abs. Push your lower back down into the floor and lengthen. Don't bring the knee in too far when you come back. Very important. Keep breathing. Always breathe out, the hardest part of the movement. Okay, back to the beginning. Hands behind the bottom of the head here, just the top of the neck. Elbows open, chin off the chest and lift. Remember, we're lifting from here, not from the neck.
Let's go.
Okay, into the reverse crunch. Hands under the bum. Off we go. Tuck the legs up tight. Your calf should be against the back of your leg. You should not be doing this. Okay, I don't want that. Breathing out. One more. Excellent. Straight in, up and twist, alternating. Up, breathe out, back and down. Roll the shoulder off the floor and breathe out. Lifting from here. One more. Okay, straight in with the legs. You can put your hands under your bum again. Make sure the legs are at 90 before you start. You should feel the pressure on the bottom of the abs. Excellent. Back round we go. Hands, chin away from the chest, neck in line with spine. Rolling the rib cage down, shoulders off. Straight in, reverse crunch, hands under the bum. Tap the toes on the floor. Try and roll the bum off the floor as you come in and breathe out. Okay, the twist. Up, slide the ribcage down, breathe it out. Good, legs, last one. At 90, put the pressure on the lower abs. Don't rush it. It's always easier when you rush. Excellent. Okay, that's that. You can do this every other day. You need a day in between to recover. It's completely futile doing abs every single day because your abs don't get time to repair themselves. But every other day is fine, especially a fairly gentle one like this. As you can see, we didn't have much rest to keep the intensity high, so I'm sure you did feel your abs burning and activating. Brilliant, thank you. Any questions, please go ahead and ask.